It's hashtag TBT at the Colorado Railroad Museum. For Throwback Thursday this week, we have footage of Denver and Rio Grande Western steam locomotive number 346 captured by Museum Multimedia Coordinator Matthew Isaacks on May 31st, 2008. Want to learn more about Colorado's oldest operating steam locomotive? Watch our Big Train tour on number 346. A link is in the description below.
They call it motors.
Do you have any home movies or photographs that feature the Colorado Railroad Museum, the museum's equipment, or Colorado railroads in general? We'd love to share them. Contact the Colorado Railroad Museum at info@crrm.org.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Commenting and sharing in particular may qualify as virtual engagements for important funding programs like the SCFD.